Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Dropbox files to another Dropbox account step by step clearly. To transfer your Dropbox files to another Dropbox account, begin by logging into your original Dropbox account. Once logged in, locate the files or folders you wish to transfer. You can select multiple files or folders by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on each item. After selecting the desired files or folders, right-click on your selection. From the context menu, choose the Share option. In the Sharing dialog box, enter the email address associated with the target Dropbox account. Make sure to select the appropriate permissions for the files, such as can edit if you want the other user to have the ability to modify the files. Click on the Share button to confirm the sharing invitation. Next, log out of your original Dropbox account. Now, log into the target Dropbox account where you shared the files. Go to the Shared section in the left sidebar of the Dropbox interface. You should see the files or folders you shared from your original account. To access and save these files to your new account, find the shared item and click on it. On the page that opens, select the Add to My Dropbox option. Choose the destination folder in your new account where you want to save the files. Click Move or Add to complete the transfer. The files will now be copied to your new Dropbox account. Finally, check to ensure all files have been successfully transferred. Once confirmed, you can choose to remove the shared files from your original account if desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.